Hi, good morning.
Morning, Neha. How are you doing?
Good, good.
And yeah,
Mukesh, Lotia. Hello, guys. Let's start. 9:05. I'm gonna have a lot of people joining. Let's brief the new ones. I think Mukesh, Lotia. Today, very few people. Only six of us. So let's get going. Sujit, you're doing like well, huh? Good to see
Are
you,
very
man.
nice. Very nice. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Doing fantastic.
You said you pretty much killed all the old. You got a brand new body, man. Abhi, now what you'll do is gradually. Now you've started your OMA ads and your meals.
Hmm.
Now you get into muscle building and your back problems dheere dheere will keep opening up with the yoga and all.
Huh.
So now it's the time to build muscle. And you've gotten rid of all the fat, and that's what it's going to be now.
Hmm. Yeah, how do I build muscle, yeah? Do I need to join gym something?
I think you should join a gym, which is two conditions. One, it has to be close to your house so that you don't
Huh.
feel lethargic. Do a little bit of cardio. Make sure there is a trainer who will start with some light weight training. Now,
Huh.
everything you gain is all going to be muscle mass. Your body fat index should not cross 15%. Right now, also, I
Huh.
think your body fat should be below 20%.
I think so, yeah.
Sira, sorry?
Yeah, it is below 20%.
Yeah, so which is a very, very healthy situation to be in. And once you start working on your muscles, it'll take you to the next level altogether.
Acha.
That's very good. See, I told you this is an Indian thing to be at least 5-10 minutes late. Even if it's a party, we can't be first. धीरे धीरे आएंगे लोग. So briefing एक ही बारी करूंगा मैं. Let's do some Q&As before I do the briefing. I want to get some sun. I'm taking off my t-shirt. Yeah, this is better. Oh, Anji, this is a little not too much exposure because I'm not getting paid for this, so I shouldn't show too much. है ना? Neha is my
Correct.
colleague. She understood the joke. Okay, so wonderful, Sujit. I think now need to get into OMADs, which you're fine and do lots of tons of salad and fruits and all. And
Yeah.
you start your gymming and exercise, get a lot of sunlight exposure, and make sure you walk in the grass. Have you started walking in your backyard?
Not yet. Yeah, the last couple of days been like super stressful for work, so haven't been able to do anything. Not even like sit in the sun. Like it was so like crazy busy.
Okay, well, start kar, Sujit. I think it's very important because in
Huh.
immunity, everything will revolve around that.
Huh.
Sun is very, 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 very important. Sun and even Lata, you both need sun. You need to increase your capacity to take the sun and walk bare feet.
Lata's been sitting in the backyard, which is good.
But has she increased her capacity of the sun now? No.
No, she's saying no.
No, still not tolerable the sun?
No.
Not tolerable. Okay, cool. Okay, let's give it more time. Eventually it has to be. That's part of life. It's going to take a little more time, but it will be
Yeah.
tolerable.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah.
You
Thanks,
got my
Baba.
friend
Yeah.
Yakul Pathak. What are your sugar levels, my friend?
117.
Kitna?
117.
What is wrong with you, man? 117, you come in the perfect range now. You to perfect
Right,
range.
absolutely.
This is non-diabetic.
Yes.
Having started with 200 something, na?
214. Thank you.
Wow.
Good job, Yako.
Wow. That's a big achievement.
Yes,
No,
absolutely.
I think it's fair, at least for me, to take the honor of declaring that at this point, as we speak, Yakul is a non-diabetic. At this point, with 117, it's a perfect level, and that's in about 16 days of zero medication, zero investment, and just self-efforts, and letting the body do what the body needs to do, which is cleanse the muck, let the body function optimally, and that's exactly what the body is doing.
Right.
So, Yakul, now I'll tell you what. The most difficult part, when you fly, when an airplane takes off, the maximum fuel consumed is during takeoff. You know, it has to go. And once it takes off, you know why they fly at an altitude of 30,000 or 40,000 feet? Itna ucha kyun udate hain plane?
It just floats.
Correct. Once it's there, the gravitational pull is much lower. so it floats to a great extent. Whereas if you लोग सोचते हैं तो ऊपर जाने की जरूरत ही क्या है, 5-7 हजार स्क्वायर फीट पे उड़ा लो, इतना ऊपर क्यों जाते हैं, फिर इतना नीचे आते हैं, so that it can float. So that effort of taking off to 30-40,000 feet you've achieved in the first 16 days. The balance 5 days you're just floating to a great extent. क्योंकि सबसे मुश्किल काम हो गया. Now every day you're doing a countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. पकोड़े की फोटो देखो, भटूरे की फोटो देखो, chicken, whatever you like, keep looking at the photos, keep salivating. But after that, how do you sustain? You just have to maintain.
Right.
बहुत simple है. Because तुम जिस दिन फालतू खाओगे यकुल, उस दिन शरीर खुद बोलेगा यार, पेट फूल रहा है, हेवीनेस हो रही है, राइट? पेट साफ नहीं हुआ, यू विल फील सिक. ज्यादा खा लिया प्रॉब्लम होगा, गलत खा लिया प्रॉब्लम, शरीर बोलेगा. बाहर का गंदा प्रेजर्वेटिव्स, मैकडॉनल्ड्स, तो विदाउट नेमिंग एनी ब्रांड, क्योंकि शायद मैकडॉनल्ड्स क्लाइंट हो हमारा, आई डोंट नो, सो डिलीट दिस पार्ट एडिटिंग व्हेन यू गो. सो नो ब्रांडेड, अनब्रांडेड, एनी फूड दैट इज गॉट प्रेजर्वेटिव, शरीर बोलेगा. मेरा शरीर बोलता है. व्हेन आई ईट एनीथिंग, आई वेंट टू अ फ्रेंड्स हाउस, रिलेटिव्स, वी हैड नाइस राजमा चावल, दे हैड dahi and everything, but I felt so heavy because the dahi was nakli. पैकेट का दही था, पनीर नकली था, पैकेट का पनीर था. राजमा चावल में जो ग्रेवी डली हुई थी प्यूरी पैकेट की थी. हमारे यहाँ नथिंग इज पैकेट. वी मेक आवर ओन टोमेटोज, वी मेक आवर ओन फूड. So once your body becomes clean, you will realize, and I can guarantee you, Yakul, you hit 117, you will hit the 100 mark, and you don't need to go below that at that 8-1. You are perfectly normal now. After the next 5 days, जो बैलेंस बचा हुआ है ना, वो भी निकल जाएगा, साफ हो जाएगा, और उसके बाद मेंटेन करना है.
Absolutely. ठीक है.
जिस दिन जॉगिंग नहीं करोगे उस दिन थकान होगी, जिस दिन एक्सरसाइज नहीं करोगे उस दिन अजीब सा लगेगा. So your body will become in a different zone altogether. And when you want to party with your friends, it's a Friday night, जा रहे हो, खा रहे हो, पी रहे हो, पार्टी करो, एंजॉय करो. नेक्स्ट डे your guilt will tell you, बॉस कल ज्यादा हो गया, आज ब्रेक मारने का है. So you have your juices, you have your fruits, you have your salads, then again you will feel normal. Then you continue for a week. Then next week again call the friends, again party, enjoy, live your life. Understood? So कोई इस गलत फहमी में मत रहना कि हम साधु संत बन गए, जिंदगी नहीं जीते. इनफैक्ट नेहा and I met on Saturday. Neha, we met, right? Neha, you there? Okay, she's gonna come back. But Neha and I met. I was in Bombay. I landed. So there was a old National Geographic get together. So Neha had we met at the airport, Aerocity, and we had a good time, all of us. Yeah. Next day, fast कर लिया. ठीक है. So Yakul, dude, you're going to be a nature bright hero. We're going to call this the NBF, Nature Bright Fight Foundation. And F से काफी कुछ निकलता है, guys. Okay, you want to unmute and laugh. So Nature Bright Foundation, Nature Bright Family, Nature Bright Friends, हाँ, Nature Bright एक बहुत निकलता है F. Even that F, Nature Bright, everyone. So all F, Nature Bright, right? So we're going to go with the Nature Bright Foundation, and gradually we're going to put a lot of things behind this. Yakul, I'm so happy, man.
Thank you all. Thanks to you.
Lot of effort. और बड़ा मुश्किल होता है यार, डेली करने के बाद आज 16 दिन हो गया, मुंह में एक दाना नहीं गया, राइट?
कल तो ड्राई फास्टिंग था, कल तो पानी नहीं पिया था.
I forgot to ask you, how did it go?
शाम तक बहुत अच्छा था. बाय इवनिंग थोड़ा ना आई वाज फीलिंग बहुत ज्यादा घबराहट सी हो रही थी. देन आई हैड लाइक 2 sips of water.
हाँ.
And then at night I had 1 sip to have my medicine.
हाँ.
That's it. और रात तक तो मैं बता रहा हूँ इतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी थी ना, I can't tell you. I was not able to sleep. I was so fresh. And I was telling my wife, the brain is so powerful. When we were on juicing, breakfast time I need to have juice, lunch time I need to have juice. And yesterday when I was on fasting, I wasn't hungry at all. Otherwise, by 1:30, 2 o'clock, I'll call my wife, I'm coming home, keep the juice ready, I'm already hungry.
Yeah.
Or yesterday, there was nothing. I was absolutely fine. Absolutely fine.
Wow. That's the power of the human body. And now तुमने बोला था ना कल you're not feeling like juices वगैरह, अब dry fast कर लिया, तो आज थोड़ा एक आध जूस पीने का मजा आएगा.
Right. आज पिया सुबह नारियल पानी. मैं नॉर्मली 2 नारियल पानी सुबह पीता था. आज एक में ही my stomach was full. I was like, that guy was ready with the second nariyal. I was like, नहीं यार, एक ही बहुत है बस. Today, one is enough.
अच्छा, इसमें एक चीज और बहुत बढ़िया यकुल, इस जर्नी में हमारे बहुत अच्छे नए मित्र बन जाते हैं. जो नारियल पानी वाला है, he's become a friend. उससे डेली जाना, मिलना, बातें करना, वो नारियल पानी पूछेगा. नरेश भाई goes to that, शाम को नरेश भाई और भाभी वो जाते हैं he goes for his गन्ने का जूस. एक बहुत बढ़िया
हाँ.
ritual बन जाता है. And you start meeting the right people and you do something positive only.
Right, absolutely.
Excellent. So, yeah, Sujit, he's completed 16 days, 1 day dry fast also. I recommended
Very
the dry fast because, you know, that cleans up the entire bladder and the urinary tract. वो सारा एक दिन के लिए, if you give it a switch off, so it cleans up the entire thing. So I've seen a lot of people with UTI issues and all, they get sorted by going dry. You know, random एक दो दिन dry कर लो. क्योंकि तुम्हें इसको एक simple analogy बताता हूँ. इसमें कोई 5 साल MBBS करने की जरूरत नहीं है. कॉमन सेंस की बात बताता हूँ. जब नदी में पुल देखा है पानी का, अब चलती नदी में आप पिलर खड़ा कर दोगे, उसको ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा ना ताकि सूखे वो. और जब वो सूख जाता है फिर नदी चालू कर देते हैं. दैट इज योर ब्लैडर माय फ्रेंड. इफ देयर इज अ UTI और इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम इन द सिस्टम, यू हैव टू गिव इट अ ब्रेक. वो हील हो जाएगा, फिर दोबारा चालू कर दो.
great.
Awesome. Anyone? Okay, so let's wrap up in the questions. If anyone has any questions, please raise your
Pankaj,
hand.
when we talk about OMAD, what else are you supposed to eat through the day?
Take so Neha, first put on your camera.
Okay. 1 second.
Baba, did you NGC का meetup था तो where was I?
Oh,
I
you
thought I was
were
also part of the
in LA. You were in Los Angeles.
family.
We were at the
Did
Delhi
Sham come?
airport.
Did Sham
No, they
come or
were
not?
kind enough to accommodate me. I was in Bombay in meets, and then this friend of mine, Ansu, a common friend of ours, had landed from Dubai. So we decided to meet up, and then we ended up, because I was on an evening flight, so they were kind enough to accommodate at the AeroCity next to the airport. So when I landed, we met them. And we had a blast. So I was telling Neha, I was telling everyone. I was telling Yakul, who's got down sugar levels from 220 or something to 117. He's a
Yeah,
non-diabetic today. 16 days ago, he was a diabetic. Understand? When people came, diabetes is reversible. NGC group may please tell Zubin, share with Zubin. I want to reverse the diabetes.
I'll do
Neha.
that.
Arey.
I'll do that.
And I will connect you to our ex-boss, Yakul Zubin Gandevia, who was the president of Fox, is based out of Singapore. I've been trying to convince him to get him off a lot of medication. And he's a wonderful human and he needs to get out of that. So Neha is going to help do that. So we met. I was telling Yakul कि अभी जब हो जाएगा खत्म उसके बाद फिर पार्टी करो हफ्ते में एक दिन. हम भी करते थे. सैटरडे को पार्टी किया था, अगले हफ्ते नेहा फिर पार्टी करेंगे. मैं कल फिर बॉम्बे जा रहा हूँ. On the way back again to figure out something. Now to answer your question of what to eat during OMAD, let me make a schedule for you. What is your body type, Neha?
So I'm quite a balanced thing. I showed you my this thing. Kapha was around 44%. It was third.
Okay, so you note down. You note down. You can send me a WhatsApp or you can note in a paper. When you get up in the morning, make sure you have decent quantity of warm water.
Yeah.
And when you pump in the warm water, make sure the warm water quantity is, your kapha is below 50, na?
Yes.
Okay. So you have 1 extra glass outside of your capacity. अगर capacity 2 glass का है 3 पियो, 3 का है 4 पियो, 4 का है 5 पियो. ठीक है? Have that 1 extra glass of water, and after that 1 extra glass of water, you do something called a Tadasana. Tadasana is you stretch like this. Okay? Tadasana. After your Tadasana, you squat. And after you squat, you go for the morning routine. That is your first meal, water. Okay? Then after you've done with the washroom and all your regular stuff, you have start off with a glass of juice in the morning.
Okay.
1 glass, 1.5 glass, जितना भी शरीर मांगे, that is your first thing, which is juice. What time do you get up? What time
Around
do you get up?
5:45. 5:45.
And what time do you leave for office?
I leave at 8.
8. हाँ, तो 7 o'clock you have your juice. ठीक है?
Okay.
पेट भर गया फिर. उसके बाद you carry with yourself a decent chunk of mangoes or muskmelon, whatever is your favorite fruit for that day. अच्छा quantity in a डब्बा. You reach office and you have your fruit.
Okay.
8:39 तो आपका 9 o'clock भी हो गया. 11 बजे आपको फिर भूख लगेगी क्योंकि आपने सुबह से कुछ पक्का नहीं खाया है ना. If you are working out, if you are hungry at 11:30, have a big portion of salad.
Okay.
Since you're balanced. So kakadi is amazing. Order tons of kakadi. Have namak nimbu with the kakadi and flood yourself with kakadi. जितना मन करे. 1-1:30 बजे you have your meal. chicken, or preferably veg if you're trying to lose weight, but you have your favorite food, whatever you're having. आटा कम से कम, आटा में ग्लूटेन होता है, वो चिपकता है आंतड़ियों में, तो जितना
Yeah, that
कम आटा,
anyways, I prefer my rice.
you prefer rice, so have your rice meal and have a good meal जितना मन करे 1:30-2 बजे तक, ठीक है? अभी तक सुबह से खाना खाए चले ही जा रहा है, 4-5 बजे फिर भूख लगेगी, have a big glass of juice,
Okay.
and when you go home you have some salad, or you can have a big bowl of soup. Okay, so I had mushroom soup last night, which is fresh mushroom crushed. It was made in cold pressed groundnut oil, and it had garlic, it had pepper, it had salt. It was mind blowing. It had chunks of mushrooms. So you have a mushroom soup one day, you have a tomato soup one day, you have a vegetable soup one day, you have a sweet corn soup one day, but it's all got to be made at home and fresh. No
Yeah.
preservative, no breadcrumbs, no ketchup, no outside ka kuch bhi. All ghar ka soup.
Okay.
Do that for a week, your gut cleansing will continue, and you're looking very good now. You are always looking good. You will become even better on the waist. 1-2 inch और चले जाएंगे, you will feel even more energetic, and that will happen in a week.
Great.
So are we
But
well
I
fed?
can-
There is
Instead of fruit in the morning, can I have eggs?
eggs.
Two
क्यों
eggs.
खाना चाहती है? Eggs तेरा cook meal हो गया.
Okay.
So if you have eggs, then you can't have, क्योंकि egg को पचाने में 8-10 घंटे लग जाएंगे. तो तुम्हारा fat loss जो tummy का है वो weight हो जाएगा. Wait for another week. Have you reached your ideal waist, your dream waist?
I was always thin. My issue was always my tummy.
हाँ, तो tummy का ही है ना. तो अभी तुम्हारा
हाँ.
ideal tummy आ गया नहीं आया?
नहीं.
आ जाएगा एक हफ्ते में. उसके बाद एक खा ले. अभी avoid.
Done.
And then what you do is the salad that you're having pre-lunch at the kakadi. So after 2-3 days, if you really have the craving or the need for eggs, so in that salad, which could be lettuce, rocket leaves, corn, like a nice Greek salad, usme you take 2 boiled eggs and you can cut that. So that will
Okay.
happen before, that will happen 2 hours before your lunch or 1 hour before your lunch. So तेरे OMAD में merge हो जाएगा वो.
Okay.
So your overall raw interval will remain 22 hours. You will be on raw. और 11 और 1 के बीच में आप you had your eggs and you had your lunch. Got it? So 22
Perfect.
hours is a very good time for the body to keep cleaning and pumping and cleaning and pumping. And do your gymming and exercise or Pilates or whatever you're doing.
Yeah, great. Okay. Thank you.
ठीक है? Okay, Yakul, I'm so happy. Anyone else any questions before I get down to my daily wages? Daddy पे जाना है.
Hello.
Yes, my friend, Sujit. Lata,
Hi,
good to see you.
Pankaj.
Hi, Lata, you're a rock
Good
star.
to
What
see-
lovely message you've sent. You, mom-in-law, the entire family is fasted. It is so good to see you. You guys must be like the perfect couple in LA today.
Yeah, at least I would say that this guy lost a good amount of weight and he's looking.
I look like a skeleton now.
No. He looks really good. Pankaj, I was hearing you guys talk and somebody lost from 200 pounds to 117.
No, his diabetes.
Oh, okay. Diabetes level went.
Yeah, cool.
Because I stopped fasting from Saturday, I believe. And I lost around 13 pounds I lost. But I went underweight. However, my tummy is, I started eating Saturday. So one day I ate khichdi. I started with khichdi. Next 2 days, yesterday and today, I had like a proper roti and sabji, one meal only, but still I'm feeling like I'm so heavy. Like with just one meal, I felt so heavy, in my tummy.
But don't. So if you're feeling heavy, Lata, कुछ कभी-कभी psychosomatic भी होता है because you haven't eaten for so many days. अभी everything you eat will make you feel guilty. So एक तो psychosomatic होता है. Listen to the body. If you're feeling heavy, reduce the quantity. Right? Increase your raw intake. If you are earlier on raw, so have that before the meal. खाने से पहले salad या fruit जो खाना है वो खा लो. उसके बाद have your cooked meal. So you can make it into 50%. Right?
So
But
I Pankaj, I am like Vata. My Vata was 56%. And rest Pitta and what was that other Kapha, right? That is like 25, 20 or 23%, something like that. So that's why I'm not eating anything raw, because I heard one day you saying
Yeah.
that
So
Vata.
what is raw for a Vata is you are at home, right? So
Yeah.
saute some vegetables. Get some
Okay.
zucchini, get some broccoli, get some whatever you like your favorite food. Saute. उसको ऑलिव ऑयल में
Okay.
डाल के या कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल में डाल के अच्छे से सौते करो. थोड़ा सा नमक जरूर डालो, सेंधा नमक, and eat it. You will love. If you like garlic, add some garlic dressing. And if it's very
Yeah.
dry, you can have some olive oil on top. Have a big portion of salad which is sauté, right? And then
Okay.
you will love it. You will love it, and have a big portion of that. And that's it. And उसके बाद मन करे तो पका हुआ खा लो, नहीं मगर मत खाओ. सुजीत का तो मन करेगा, बेचारा तो महीने से कुछ खाया नहीं इसने. He wants to eat
नहीं
food.
यार, I'm fine. I'm not craving like that heavy food.
So
To be honest with
we
you.
both did fasting for almost same days. He did 2 days extra. He completed 21 days. I stopped on 19th day. Yeah. So, but I was continuing just because I was trying to support my mother-in-law to continue fasting. And once she dropped, even I dropped.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good suggestion. Yeah, I can start doing that, and instead of 2 rotis, I can have 1 roti anytime.
But instead of don't have aate ka roti, try to have millets or bajra or jowar, whatever you can. Try to use
Yeah.
more of
Yeah.
millets. That's a much healthier thing to do.
She ate millet with me today.
Yeah.
Enjoy your meal,
Ah.
guys. Like, love your meal. Enjoy what you want to eat, and don't think too much of what is happening. The fact is that you've gone through such a long path. Your body is so potent that your body will tell you what is good or bad. Anything that is packaged, that is branded, that comes in a packet from the market is bad. Anything that is घर का साफ किया हुआ, that is good. Taste आपको अपने आप बताएगा कि क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Follow your taste buds. भूख लगी तो खाओ, नहीं लगी तो मत खाओ. जिस चीज की इच्छा हुई वो जरूर खाओ. Now I will tell you something very interesting, Lata, especially for you.
Mm-hmm.
For a Vata, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you like pakoras, right?
No, I don't like any besan stuff.
You don't like besan?
I like a samosa.
हाँ, so you like some, but samosa में मैदा हो गया ना, problem ये है.
Yeah. Not pakoda. I don't like besan, vada pav. These all are not my stuff.
Okay, cool. So fried rice is good for you if you like rice. So you can
Yeah.
have saute vegetables in rice. Samosa office पे want to eat है. It's one life to live. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि छोड़ देना है. अब daily थोड़ा ना खाना है. हफ्ते 10 दिन में कभी मन किया तो जरूर खाओ. And after you eaten your samosa, that will take care of your entire day. उसके बाद मन नहीं करेगा कुछ खाने का. You know?
For sure, yeah.
लेकिन उसका एक और कैच है. when you're having a samosa ना, don't be कंजूस कि एक ही खाना है, आधा ही खाना है. मन भर के खाओ. When you're eating, enjoy it. You don't have one, have one. You have two. You don't have three, have three. लेकिन अपने मन की संतुष्टि से खाओ. अगर संतुष्टि से नहीं खाओगे वो रिबाउंड मारेगा. Understand? So never ever eat with a guilt that I need to stop. It's like taking a kid to a candy store and not allowing him to buy the candies. वो तो बच्चा पागल रहेगा. You understand? So if you go to a candy store, let them enjoy the candy. और जब उसका मीठे से मन भर जाए उसको छोड़ दो. है ना? हम अपने बच्चों को मोबाइल फोन के लिए डांटते रहते हैं. मुझे I need your advice because I'm a very strict father, obviously, but we don't mind investing. So my daughter wanted a phone, so I said, listen, beta, I'll get you the latest phone. Whatever is the latest, she wants an iPhone, so I said, I'll buy you the costliest one. But my condition is, you'll not spend more than 1 hour on the phone every day. So my screen time उसका लगा रखा है. Now what is happening, because I snatched the phone after 1 hour, so she's looking forward to my absence. When do I travel? When I'm in Bombay. Now
that's not a good thing.
हाँ, तो उसने क्या करा now? So that is one. So my absence is an incentive, which as a father I don't like. I like my kids to look forward to me. Two, now to app on iPhone there are certain apps inbuilt which you can't modify, but she's a good coder. She had started cheating the system. वो reboot कर देती थी कुछ system को to increase the time. And three, because that 1 hour is a limitation. So her only, even when she's out with her friends, she'll spend like 3-4 hours on her friend's phone.
Oh my God.
So क्योंकि मैं उसको रोक रहा हूँ, क्या am I doing more damage by stopping her? Am I making her do more? You know, so it's a big question mark. And her friends who have no limit, they spend 3-4 hours on the phone, 5 hours on the phone. शायद मेरी बेटी उससे ज्यादा कर रही है, क्योंकि एक वो इच्छा है करने की.
Yeah, yeah.
So the same thing holds for food यार. अभी तो आप लोग फास्टिंग कर रहे हो यकुल, 5 दिन में 21 दिन पूरे हो जाएंगे, है ना? अभी तो आपका एक डेडलाइन है कि अब मैं बोल तो पूरी जिंदगी नहीं खाना, तुमसे बड़ी ये क्या बकवास है, मरना इससे तो मर जाएगा, लेकिन 21 दिन एक फाइनाइट डेडलाइन है, उसके बाद आपको खाना है. लेकिन जब खाना है मन भर के खाना है, एंजॉय कर.
So to that point, Pankaj, I ate 2 big bowl of salad for dinner.
Yeah.
Is that okay? I think I asked you this before, but I feel like sometimes I overeat salad.
No, you go with your taste buds. Sujit, you have to listen. As long as you're enjoying it, eat it. Eat to your heart content. Don't follow any rule. 1 bowl खाना है, 1.5 bowl खाना है, आधा bowl खाना है. अपना दिल से खाओ और धीरे धीरे चबा के खाओ. क्या होता है, the body, they say the brain takes almost 10 minutes to send the signals to the tummy कि पेट भर गया. और जब तक हम ओवर ईटिंग कर चुके होते हैं, इसलिए if you eat slowly, तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि कब पेट भर गया है. Your speed and chew everything 32 times. 32 बार चबाओ, चबा के खाओ.
गुटके की तरह.
हाँ,
गुटके की तरह, गुटका.
हाँ, गुटके की तरह चबा के खाओ यकुल. Nothing. I just said it. ऐसे ही चबा के खाओ. Enjoy your life. Just look forward. Life में हर चीज का टारगेट होता है. So just follow the heart, right? So, but I want, yes, ma'am. So we'll start off with the elder one. We have 2 Preetis. We'll go with Preeti, and both are Preeti G. So Preeti Ghala, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Can I put sauté vegetables on the top of seeds, some seeds? Nuts or
Yes.
seeds?
Yes.
no?
Like it, yes.
Okay.
आप कर सकते हो मैम, आपका कोई मेजर पास नहीं है. रिमेम्बर कल बात हुई थी ना. You
हाँ जी,
continue
हाँ
with your
हाँ जी, हाँ
Please
जी, हाँ जी. Okay, thank you.
we've got the other Preeti Goyal, right? Bangalore, right? No, sorry, Singapore.
So I was just checking. आपने मुझे कल कहा था बेसन के पकोड़े के लिए, but can I just have even ढोकला, बेसन का ढोकला and all? That's allowed.
You like it.
Okay.
Understand, जितना से ट्रेडिशनल स्टफ है ना, ढोकला, ये पुरानी चीजें हैं, इन सब में कुछ फायदा है. ढोकला के साथ हमेशा हरी मिर्च मिलती है. आपने, I don't know. Yeah. That mirchi has a very important component. It is to balance the kapha. हरी मिर्च से कफ निकलता है, तो इसलिए ढोकला खाओ तो उसके साथ हरी मिर्च जरूर खाओ. ये पुराने जो रिवाज चलते हैं, कोई किसी पागलपंती नहीं है जो अपने, all this was there, it was all thought through. It was to balance. So have your dhokla and have some kapha, have something. You're an Omaj now?
He told me to eat lots of fruits and vegetables.
So you're on a raw diet.
Raw diet, yes.
So you have the dhokla only when you feel Acha, I remember you said you had got this bloating and breathing का issue आया था ना, breathing.
हाँ.
तो breathing में आपको ना जब दोबारा कभी अगर होता है प्रीति, if at all, because that's you're a vata dosh, right?
Yes.
तो वात दोष के लिए आप हमेशा अपने घर में थोड़ा नारियल का तेल, घी, oil रखो. Have 2 spoons of oil or have a spoon of ghee and gulp it down with water. पूरा शरीर खुल जाएगा.
Okay. और मैं थोड़ा सा बाथरूम तो जा रही हूँ, but castor oil फिर भी यूज कर लूँ क्या?
If you feel incomplete and you need to go to the washroom and you're still feeling heavy, then have those 2-3 spoons of castor oil. It will pump out the waste.
Okay.
But the best pumping Preeti will happen with yoga. Twisting, right twist, left twist, up, down. Sub twist ka game hai.
Yesterday I did yoga also. And the funny thing is, in fact, after eating the raw vegetables, food, just not depending on juices, I think I'm losing weight now more.
So
Yeah,
that's what I'm trying to explain.
but I
You-
don't know.
And there was another lady. Juices में क्या होता है? When you're doing juices, you are mobilizing a lot of waste. जो शरीर में जैसे आप समझो कि पानी का पाइप है, ये पाइप है, ये बॉटल है, इसमें पानी, इसमें चारों तरफ कचरा जमा हुआ है. अब उसको जब छोड़ दोगे धीरे धीरे कचरा रिलीज होना शुरू हो जाएगा, लेकिन बाहर नहीं आएगा. जब इसमें आप सफाई करोगे, बर्तन जैसे मांजते हो, फिर निकलना शुरू होगा. So when you're doing raw, there's a lot of fiber going body, and the beauty of salad, भगवत गीता में लिखा है खाने के लिए ना सेहत 100 साल जीना है तो कच्ची सब्जी और पके फल खाने चाहिए. कच्ची सब्जी और पके फल में क्या होता है? फाइबर होता है. फाइबर जब अंदर जाता है तो पूरा का पूरा बाहर निकलता है, और निकलता है तो अपने साथ कुछ लेके निकलेगा. तो जो पुराना आपका जो वेट लॉस हो रहा है ना, ओल्ड मक इज कमिंग आउट. सो कंटिन्यू विद रॉ एज मच एज यू कैन, बट इन योर केस इफ योर बात इज हाई, रॉ मतलब एकदम कच्चा नहीं खाना, थोड़ा सौते कर लो,
हाँ.
थोड़ा बॉईल कर लो. एंड अ वेरी गुड सैलेड इज लाइक गोभी उबाल दी, ब्रोकली उबाल दी, और साथ में अपना जुकीनी सौते कर दिया, और व्हाटएवर वेजिटेबल विद गार्लिक, एंड देन यू टॉप इट एंड ईट.
Okay.
ठीक है, यू विल हैव मोर वेट लॉस.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay, we got Mukesh Lotia. We are done. Anything else, Mukesh or Aarti? That's it, I think. Mukesh was a silent
Baba,
audience.
One question.
Yes.
Lata is asking how's feta cheese?
If it is genuine, it's good. Yeah, it's fermented. It's good. And if it's ये तुम्हारे US में तो बहुत आता है that cow का वो डब्बा जो बना होता है प्लास्टिक वाला ना, फेटा का, वो
अच्छा वो
खा लो खा लो.
हाँ आज
हाँ,
आज
मैं-
थोड़ा सैलेड में डाला 1 चम्मच.
हाँ, मजा आ रहा है तो खा लो.
हाँ,
मजा आ रहा
something
है,
different. Like I like to change it up, change my salad every day.
मजा आ रहा है, खा ले. Sujit, you will like it, eat it.
हाँ.
It's quite nice and fermented, and it's obviously it's imported from, I don't know, I think it comes from Israel or something that you get, but it's good stuff. Have it. Again, now have it as per ये मत सोचना कि अमृत है तो उसको दबा दबा के खाऊं,
नहीं.
और
हाँ.
ये भी मत सोचना कि जहर है तो कम खाऊं. Enjoy the taste.
हाँ. I put more veggies than anything.
Yeah, and it's a good topping
in
for
my
Greek
salad.
salad. Yakul is waiting कि वो दिन कब आएगा जब मुझे बोला
Sorry,
जाएगा कि
Yakul.
हाँ खा लो.
Sorry, you're talking about food.
नहीं, but
Fasting.
good.
मेरे
Yakul is
को
going.
सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है जब वातावरण लोगों को ये सजेस्ट करते हैं कि पकोड़े खाओ और ये खाओ और वो खाओ. बाकी किसी से मेरे को दिक्कत नहीं होती,
किसको
मेरे को वातावरण से बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है.
मेरे को कभी नहीं बोला पंकज ने.
I remember, Sujit, when you spoke, you had told me about some tests, so I was more concerned about that. That's why I'm sorry, I was very tough on you. But the idea was to clean the gut to the core, which you have successfully done.
I've done twice, but I'm planning to do it 4 times a year.
हाँ, 4 times a year
Hopefully.
करो, लेकिन अभी तुम अपना
हाँ.
muscle mass बनाओ. Muscle
हाँ.
mass बनाओ. Start running, start doing weights, start doing whatever you want to do.
Okay. Done.
Okay, Aarti, I can see you on the call if you want to be part of this. Do you have any questions before we hang up?
Hi, good morning.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I have nothing to ask today.
How did it go yesterday?
It was very good, but I didn't lose as much as I expected to lose. I only lost 100 grams. So I feel kind of stuck like for the entire week. Yeah.
Just follow the protocol, do some twisting exercises. It'll happen now, you know. Who was saying, I think some lady was just saying, Preeti was talking, na, कि after now having started raw, the weight loss is happening fast. So each body responds differently. Your body will also respond differently. Continue the protocol that has been assigned to you. It'll be good. You're surrounded by some very, very, very good examples. You're very lucky. You got Preeti Goyal who just said that, you know, now with raw, it's going, the weight loss is happening. Look at Yakul Pathak on top of you. He's brought down his sugar from 220 to whatever, 100 something. And I touch wood. I've got wood here on a wood table. Just touch wood, right? And may God bless him, and it's going to get even better, right? You got Sujit there who's done 2 rounds of 21 days. Look at how cool he looks. Look at the cuts. Look at his jawlines. There you go, right? So you got some very good examples inspiring you, Aarti. Things will be good.
Great. No, I'm being patient and stuff. No stress there.
And I lost 1 kg yesterday in one day with dry fasting.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
हाँ, लेकिन वो ड्राई फास्ट है ना, उसमें वाटर लॉस होता है बॉडी का, जो रिटेंशन खत्म हो
Correct.
जाता है वापस आ जाएगा आधा किलो उसमें से. दैट इज
Okay.
माइनर थिंग, क्योंकि बॉडी, बट अगेन लिसन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. ड्राई फास्ट किया तो बॉडी बिल्कुल निचोड़ दिया, उसमें जो भी पानी था ना सारा कचरा निकल गया. नाउ यू पुटिंग फ्रेश वाटर इनसाइड. लुक दिस पूल बिहाइंड मी, राइट. इसको पूरा खाली करके फ्रेश पानी भरो या साफ करते रहो. ऑब्वियसली कितना भी साफ करो इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, जो खाली करने के बाद पूरा भरोगे. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव डन विद द बॉडी. सिंपल.
Okay.
That's exactly what you've done with the body.
I have a question. You ask all of us, where are we based? Where are you based?
You tell me where am I based?
I have no idea.
He's in
I keep
Noida.
scuttling. I keep scuttling. I travel. I'm mostly in Noida, in Delhi, and then I'm going to be, and I work in Noida and Bombay. So I'm practically, I spend 2 days a week in Bombay and the balance 5 days in Noida.
Okay.
You are where, Aarti? You said Delhi.
In Delhi, yeah.
Which part of Delhi?
I'm in Chhatapur.
Acha, okay. Very good. So we are not too far off.
Yeah.
That's good. But
Baba, did
work
you-
on yourself and you'll be good. Sorry, Sujit, what are you saying?
Did you suggest her to do Pawan Muktasan and all that in the morning? If
Aarti, wo
she's
video follow
concerned?
kar, PPTM. So there is a video on my Instagram called PPTM. वो प्रीति आप भी फॉलो करो, वाता के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पवन मुक्त आसन, पानी ताड़ आसन एंड मल आसन, ये पूरी जिंदगी करो, आपकी मतलब रामबाण है. एंड आई हैव एक्सपेरिमेंटेड, आई हैड सीरियस IBS प्रॉब्लम्स एंड यू हैव नो क्लू. मैंने अपने आप पे कितना लाइफ में क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, व्हिच आई एम शेयरिंग विद एवरीवन. PPTM इज रामबाण. पवन मुक्त आसन, पानी ताड़ आसन एंड मल आसन. Every day you have to do that. It's a 5-minute protocol, but it's magic. It's
Sure.
magic. You
I
do
do
that.
Pawan Muktasan every morning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In the
yeah,
bed.
every morning. Yeah, in the bed before I get up.
Mm-hmm.
He'll work. Bro.
Definitely.
Okay, guys. Good luck, guys. We shall meet. Acha, please, tomorrow I'm traveling 8 or 10. I'm on a flight, so 5:30 we are meeting in the evening, which is India time. It will be too early for you, Sujit. 5:30 is 6 a.m.
Why tell you?
What time do you?
I tell my sister to log in. Tell my sister to log in.
Log and all, and then we'll chat up from there. Huh?
Pakka, pakka, Baba.
Yakul
Safe
and
travels.
We are all in the same. We are all in the same time zone, so we will log in. Aarti, tomorrow evening when we meet,
Mm-hmm.
you will have lost an inch of your waist by then. Measure your waist right now. Exactly 1 inch. No, I'm telling you with experience. So join at 5:30 and confirm that you've lost that 1 inch.
Okay, I'll go.
Measure yourself now and tomorrow. But
Yes.
follow the protocol of fasting, right? And I'm leaving you the inch because that is something that will be a good incentive for you to drive the next 16, 18 hours.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank
Baba.
you.
Safe travels. Thank you, Baba. Have a great day, guys.
So thank you guys. Lovely. Thanks. Bye.
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 Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye.